Wow. 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 You've seen this, people. Oh, shoot. Here it is. The blizzard. Look at how hard and difficult it is to travel. It is so difficult. Look at him. Look at that. Wow! As you can see, no roads. Nobody. There is no driving at all. We have 2 feet of snow already. People are preparing to leave these areas. As you can see, nobody is not going to drive. No traveling. Travel is delayed. It is delayed, everyone. As you can see, traveling is delayed due to the snow. Look at how many inches. What is this? This is a monster. As you can see, Winter Storm Jonas made a really damn job on the storm. As you can see, as I go closer here, I am getting a foot of snow. This is a foot of snow right here. This is a foot of snow. It is very cold outside and it's windy. It is near, visibilities are near below 0. It is near like 0. Like, it feels like it's 0. It's a half. And here comes the wind. Here comes the winds, people. Here it comes. This is me, Neil Gonzalez. This is another. The reason why I'm making so many videos about Winter Storm Jonas is because this storm is a very powerful storm. There is a possible for thunderstorm. There is thunderstorm that might hit this area. Look, here comes the winds. As you can see, we New Yorkers are having about a foot of snow. This is a ½ inch here. This area right here is about a feet. And as you can see, the roads are closed because of this storm. The governor, the mayor de Blasio stated that no one should not travel. Nobody should not travel in this area due to these blizzardy conditions. Look at that car. You can see that this is a deadly monster that hit. I'm wearing a jacket so I can feel better because it's very freezing. It feels like it's 14 degrees right now. It feels like it's 14. Oh, God. This is a really bad snowstorm. You see that? The debris. Here comes the strong wind! Woo! With the Storm Jonas! A superstorm! Look at that! Wow! Oh! Holy crap! Wow! Wow! Yo! What is this? This is a feet of snow! We have a feet of snow right here! Wow! This is so bad. It is whiteout conditions. This storm is a superstorm. You can see this is a foot of snow here. Wow! As you can see, you see this, people? You cannot see anything. Wow! Ah! Jesus Christ! Wow! Wow, look at these kids. Alright.